Rayong is known as the industrial city of Thailand. However, Rayong also has beautiful beaches and lots to do. I discuss it in this video. First, we drive to Saeng Beach over a bridge over one of the tributaries of the River Rayong. We go left onto the beach road. Immediately noticeable is that it is not a long beach, but all kinds of bays between stone breakwaters. After the construction of the ports for the industry, the sea current changed, which caused coastal erosion. With stone breakwaters, the erosion has stopped, and bays for beach tourism were formed. Along the beach road, there are many hotels and resorts to stay in, as well as many coffee shops and beach restaurants. A warning: because this coast is not equipped for foreign tourists, all signs are in Thai. At the very end of the road, we come to the lighthouse at the mouth of the Rayong River. If you look closely, you can see the waiting sea ships on the horizon in the distance, and maybe you see a fishing boat sailing towards the fishing port. There is also a temple dedicated to the goddess Ramphueng in Laem Charoen Public Park. There are many Chinese motifs to see. It is a sacred shrine for the villagers and fishermen in the Paknam Rayong area. When we drive down the beach road again, we pass Moonlight Beach. Nearby is a wooden footpath through mangrove forest. Here it is very quiet and peaceful, nice for a walk in the shade. The beach road ends at Suchada Beach, where the Nam Phu River flows into the sea. Here you can see the industry in the distance. On the way to Saeng Beach, there is a big mangrove footpath. Signs explained what to look for, like mud skippers and such. The boardwalk can be accessed from 2 points, a major bridge or via a road to a pagoda in the forest. You can have a nice walk on the well-maintained walkways. There is also sky view platform. From the Sukhumvit Road, you can also go via a road next to the IRPC factory to a beach road towards Hat Lem Rong Lueng. From this quiet beach, you have beautiful views. Furthermore, there is only a fishing village here. Also, here you can see the industry in the distance. East of Rayong City, you will find more beaches. First, Mae Ramphueng Beach, a 15-kilometer long quiet beach along a beach road with many recreational facilities. After Ban Pi, where the ferry to the island Koh Samet starts, lies Suan Son Beach, also a 5-kilometer long quiet beach next to a beach road. Here are many trees next to the beach under which you can sit in the shade. And even further east lies Laem Phim, a 4-kilometer long beach next to a beach road.